Hi everyone! Today we are going to open my Canva package which arrived last Monday. So I won this, or I got this because I joined their Mother's Day card making contest. So let's open. So before we open, of course, we have to disinfect the surface. But I have already disinfected this one. Okay, of course, ours. I'm so excited to open this one actually. I didn't even expect that I would win. All I wanted was to create a card for my mom for Mother's Day. I can't wait to see what's inside. I'm so excited to open my package. I'm sweating all over. Let me just good thing I didn't wear any makeup today because you know the temperature is so hot here in Manila. So much Canva PH for sending me this. I'm so happy with this one. Yay. Wow, look at this one. It's so cute. It always seems impossible until it is done. Okay, so here I have my congratulations on winning Mother's Day card design #Canva challenge. Happy designing. I also have here some stickers from Canva. That's nice. And then a shirt, a Canva shirt. Ooh, it's so nice. I have a Canva shirt. Thank you so much, Canva. I do have a new notebook. I remember asking my friend to buy me a new notebook because I need it for my journal, but I have one now. That is synthetic. Okay. I also have a tote bag. Whoa, look at that. So thank you so much, Canva, for sending this one.